year we got some apples out of that.
I had one time, buddy. I couldn't get in the raincoat pocket.
See the clapboard is.
Well, you wait here. I'll go get the
Can you log her?
Right, that's where we all grew up.
Yeah.
Hey, here, when no man had us all here.
I want to restore that stove.
Not supposed to be a bathroom. Yeah, they didn't have a bathroom.
Here we are across the river at the old house. And this was brought over, I think, in 1950 something. But here you go. This is what we're going to be restoring. We got a bunch of the junk out of it a few years ago, but there we go.
Stay in there now. I'll lock you in.
Yeah.
Gonna take your father a full week down on Revel there.
What's the two there, red?
The clapboard needs to be adjusted and everything else. I got her on a timing and all that.
Stop, he says.
I went in and I jacked it off. I put a line from that end to the other end and jacked up the line.
So I was coming here looking at. Yeah.
And she was, I don't know, was the medic.
Well, look at that taking over, boy.
Mm.
You get the chainsaw with him.
Well, I'm coming back in the fall. I'm going to get Uncle Jer to come in there.
Watch the nails. Oh my God, that's really
Oh.
cool. Hey. That board, look at the board you're standing on. Look,
Yeah, I've seen it.
That everywhere.
Roy, I never.
I always get scared driving on this damn thing. When you feel the wheels get taken from you.